In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can continue exploiting with Delta after Roblox's update. So let's get straight into the video. It'll take you to my website where you just need to click the download button. Once the download is finished, you'll have an archive ready. Next, open the archive and extract its contents. When prompted, enter the password DX2026 and complete the extraction. After that, go into the folder I provided and launch the application inside. So now we can join the game and see that the script was successfully executed, it hasn't crashed, and everything works perfectly for a free executor. So this is actually one of the best free executors I've tried in a minute. So if you guys want to use Delta, it will be linked down below in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.